ideas about most things, including how to build a swimming pool. But one thing they have in common. Each buys Holden when it comes to choosing light commercial transport. Let's look into Kingswood Ute. Holden reliability and toughness are legends. In all the light commercials, it begins here, in the solid steel built into this box section full-length chassis. There's nothing tougher outside of big trucks. And when Tom's on the job, you can bet he's glad of it. That's going to take some muscle to move. And on these country roads, some road holding. This is a thorough test of vehicle comfort too. Kingswood Ute has all three: muscle, road holding and real comfort. Holden's beefy, reliable 6-cylinder 3.3-litre engine has been improved to give low-level engine noise and smooth idling characteristics with good response and drivability. You can option a 4.2-litre engine with revised camshaft for quieter operation. There's also a thrusty 5-litre. Like the other engines, this has carburetor and distributor revisions to give smoother idling characteristics and improved economy, good response and drivability. Holden have done a great job on the whole roadability of their light commercials with radial tuned suspension. It's an important new design which matches all suspension components to the radial flight tyres, creating one finely tuned system. Extensive redesign includes heavier duty front stabiliser bar, new rear stabiliser bar, relocated upper control arm brackets, new steering geometry, plus larger rear shock absorbers, revised steering linkage bushes, and redesigned steering column upper attachment bushing. So you get confident road holding, a very comfortable feeling, even when coming fast round a bend like this. Steering response, precision and stability in the straight are improved in all load and driving conditions. You get improved fuel consumption and increased tyre life. Radial tuned suspension is particularly effective when you're carrying maximum payload. It gives Holden commercials a standard of controlled handling better than ever before and better than any competitive vehicles offer. And when you want to stop, you stop. Front disc brakes make sure of that. The handbrake keeps out of your way whether it's off or on. Let's see how much room your Holden Ute has going for you. Almost 7 feet long and just over 4 feet wide between wheel arches. Now when the Ute's empty, it's ready for its overcoat. The tonneau cover is standard on the Kingswood Ute. Comes night, and here's the same Kingswood all dressed up and ready for the other half of its busy life. It's got the good looks and all the comfort for leisure use after work's finished. Like this luxurious padded swing-down armrest. Folded up and that big, easy bench seat holds 3 people in sedan comfort. In a moment, I want to tell you more about all those passenger car comforts. But let's open up first on the Kingswood van. That tailgate and the top hatch open fully and independently. Doesn't that make good sense? It gives 2.9 cubic metres or 105 cubic feet. That floor's solid steel and the lower side walls are double layered steel. Now let's hop into the cab of Kingswood van to look at all the comfort and goodies. You'll find the same sedan comfort in the Ute and in the one-tonner. You get powered blow-through ventilation that'll carry on bringing in outside air even when you're stationary. There's another real Ute you could just be interested in if you're a couple of years younger than Tom, Dick and Harry and have time for other things like sea and sun, recreation and so on. See this beauty? No, this one I mean. It's the Sandman panel van. Really stacked. And there's a Sandman Ute too. What you get includes sports instruments, tacho, clock, set in brushed black chrome finish. Bucket seats, GTS style. 4-speed shift standard, or you can option T-bar automatic. Outside, you're going to get a GTS front end including 4-quart halogen lamps. And a front air dam plus special striping and 6-inch rally wheels. It all adds up to quite a machine. Sandman, you beauty. Now, where did Harry and that 1-tonner of his get to? Here they are. How's that for a load carry? The tray body is optional. It's the kind of 1-tonner setup that suits Harry's work. It has Holden's radial tune suspension, of course, plus a room full of comfort and the luxury of a bench seat with a folding centre armrest. But the beauty of this work-hungry Holden is the way it adapts to whatever you're at. You can dress it up with the optional chrome grille, bumpers and light surrounds, and you can match the body to your business needs. For instance, or, well, that's just a few possibilities. There's plenty more. But remember, load capacity will be affected by the weight of the body application. Holden 1-tonner, factory built to this stage. Solid steel box girder construction, beefed up for this baby over and above what the ute in the van gets. Harry chose the 3.3 litre 6, but you can have the 4.2 litre V8 for the asking. Each of these light commercials has a safety package no other light commercial brings. Tom, Dick and Harry find no argument with features like stalk control for washers, wipers, headlamp dimmers, flashes, and turn signal blinkers. Fusible link wiring to reduce fire risk. Spring-loaded interior rear vision mirror knocks out harmlessly if struck. The windscreen itself is of safety glass with a modified zone in front of the driver. All other windows are safety glass. And radial tune suspension. That's just part of the safety story in it. It's marvellous what you can achieve with the right equipment. Talking about Australia's best engineered commercials, of course. Kingswood ute, Kingswood van, Holden 1-tonner, and Sandman. For great reasons why people trust Holden.